Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a follow button on your Facebook page. It's pretty simple, follow the steps. First thing, you want to click on menu at the bottom right of your Facebook. And once you're in the Facebook menu section, you want to enter your page. So my page at the top, food restaurant, is being displayed, so I will click on food restaurant and my page will open up. Now I need to click on switch and I will switch into my Facebook page account. Now once I've switched into my Facebook page account, I can click on menu at the bottom right corner. Once I click on menu, it's going to take me over here. Now over here, I'm going to click on my food restaurant name, which is at the top. And you guys need to click on your page name. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Facebook page. Now once you're inside your Facebook page profile, at the top you can see the little three dot. Click on the three dot, and once you click on the three dot, it's going to bring you to your page setting. Inside page setting, the second option, add action button, click on it. Once you click on it, click on this option called edit buttons. Once you click on edit button, try to find for the follow button over here. If you see the follow button, you want to click on the tick mark right beside it, and basically the follow button is going to be added on your Facebook page. But let's say you guys do not see any follow button over here, just like in my case. Now in that case, what you need to do is just shake your iPhone. By that I mean just take your iPhone in your hand and physically shake it. Once you physically shake your iPhone, this thing will pop up from the bottom. Now click on report a problem and click on where it says include in report. Once you do that, the screenshot of the screen is going to be automatically taken by Facebook. Now the only thing you need to do is at the top where it says what went wrong, you want to write this: I don't have the feature to add follow button on my Facebook page. Can you help me fix it? Once you write this, just click on send at the top right, and this report will be sent to Facebook, and Facebook staff will view it and they'll fix your problem. Once they fixes your problem, you can come to the same setting, and this time you will see your follow page button and you can just tick mark it and add it. So that's how you guys can add follow button to your Facebook page. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys next time.